Get ready to charge your electric vehicle anywhere with the Lectron Portable Level 1 and 2 J1772 EV Car Charger. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know to install, use, and get the best performance from this versatile dual voltage charger. About the product. The Lectron Portable Level 1 and 2 J1772 EV Charger is a dual voltage charger compatible with 120 volts and 240 volts outlets, making it suitable for both standard home charging and faster level 2 charging. It works with all J1772 EVs and features interchangeable NEMA 5 to 15 and 14 to 50 plugs with adjustable current up to 40 amps for flexible home or travel use. Built-in safety protections ensure safe and reliable charging. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Lectron Portable Level 1 and 2 J1772 charging coupler, NEMA 14 to 50, 5 to 15 plug, 40 amperes, 12 amperes, screw set, mounting plate, user manual. Product overview. Electric vehicle charger, LED status indicator, charging coupler SAE-J1772, NEMA 14 to 50 plug, 40 amps, NEMA 5 to 15 plug, 12 amps, mounting plate, screw set. How to use. To use the Lectron J1772 EV charger, plug it into a 120 volt or 240 volt outlet and confirm the power indicator is on. Insert the J1772 connector into your vehicle's charge port until it clicks to start charging automatically. When finished, press the release button, unplug the connector, and store the charger neatly. Specifications. Troubleshooting. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.